Welcome to the quiet side of the lake. Here on the Niangua, you'll find deep water, cove protection, and big main channel views just minutes from Camdenton. This main level living home has been fully updated. New flooring, fresh paint, and a completely remodeled kitchen. Outside, there's plenty of parking. This home comes with a 2-car garage, a carport, and a space to park your boat trailer. We're just a few steps to the water. Minimal stairs, maximum convenience. For more information or to schedule your own private tour, give us a call at 573-302-2355.